how much should you actually spend on outdoor solar floodlights? It's interesting because some folks are thrilled with the cheap options, while others regret splurging on pricier ones. To find what truly works, we need to look deeper.
Product number 1, Tough Enough Solar Outdoor Lights. The Tough Enough Solar Outdoor Lights, priced at $27.44, these lights caught my attention with their impressive 2,500 lumens and 3 heads for motion detection. If you want super bright lighting for your backyard or driveway, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why the Tough Enough lights are a solid choice. With 210 LED beads, they produce a stunning 2,500 lumens, ensuring your outdoor space is well illuminated. The 270-degree wide-angle motion detection means you can cover a large area, making it perfect for security. Plus, the remote control feature lets you switch between 3 different lighting modes, so you can customize the brightness based on your needs. And did I mention it's IP65 waterproof? That means it's built to withstand heavy rain and harsh weather, giving you peace of mind. However, some users have noted that the installation height can be tricky. If you mount them too high or too low, the motion sensor may not detect movement accurately. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the installation tips, you should be fine. It's just a matter of getting it right. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable lighting solution for your yard or driveway without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for a light that doesn't require any setup, as you will need to install it yourself. For the price, you get a lot of brightness and features here. Now, if the installation aspect of the Tough Enough lights concerns you, the next option might be a better fit.
Product number 2, Autech Solar Motion Sensor Lights. The Autech Solar Motion Sensor Lights, available for $21.99. These lights stood out to me thanks to their versatility with 3 different lighting modes. If you want something affordable that offers smart lighting control, this is worth considering. Here's why Autech might solve your outdoor lighting woes. With 120 LEDs and a 270-degree wide angle, they provide ample illumination while detecting motion up to 26 feet away. The 3 modes let you choose between motion-activated, constant low light, or full brightness when movement is detected. This flexibility means you can tailor the lighting to your specific outdoor scenarios. Plus, the IP65 waterproof rating ensures they can handle the elements, so rain or shine, your space stays lit. But I'll be real with you, some users mention that the light output can feel a bit dim compared to other models. While it might not light up a huge area like some more powerful options, for regular yard use, it still does the job. It just might not be the best choice for expansive spaces. This is perfect for you if you want a functional light that doesn't require too much fuss. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra bright for larger areas. With its price point, it's a solid value for everyday needs. Alright, that was a good low-cost option, but the next product might actually provide even more brightness.
Product number 3, Defino Solar Lights. The Defino Solar Lights are up next, priced at $24.38. What caught my eye was the design with 3 adjustable heads and a whopping 2,500 lumens of brightness. If you need something that offers extensive coverage and flexibility, this is worth a close look. Why does the Defino stand out? It features 156 high-efficiency LEDs that deliver 2,500 lumens while consuming less power than other designs. The 270-degree wide-angle coverage means you can illuminate a significant area, perfect for both security and aesthetics. The 3 lighting modes are easy to switch with just a button, so you can adapt it based on your needs. Plus, it has a strong IP65 waterproof rating, ensuring it will work reliably in various weather conditions. However, some feedback pointed out that the lack of a remote can be inconvenient for those who want quick adjustments without needing to get up. Here's the thing, if you don't mind a little manual effort, this won't be a deal breaker and offers simplicity in operation. This is perfect for you if you're looking for bright, adjustable lighting to enhance your outdoor space. Skip this if you prefer remote-operated systems for convenience. Considering its features, it offers great value at this price. Now, if the manual controls of the Defino don't set well with you, the next lights might have the convenience you need. Product number 4, HM City 120 LED Solar Lights, which are priced at $24.99. I noticed these lights have an Art Deco style and solid performance. If you're after something stylish yet effective for your garden or patio, this could be the one for you. What makes the HM City lights a great option? They utilize a PIR motion sensor that activates only on full brightness, saving energy when no motion is detected. This means you'll have light when you need it most without wasting energy. The high-performance solar panel achieves up to 30% efficiency, ensuring they charge quickly during the day. Plus, the IP65 waterproof rating means they can handle some rough weather while still providing reliable illumination. However, some users felt that the light could be brighter. While this might be a concern if you're lighting a large area, they're still quite effective for smaller spaces like pathways or gardens. It's just important to know what to expect in terms of coverage. This is perfect for you if you value energy efficiency and style in your outdoor lighting. Skip this if you're looking for maximum brightness over everything else. For the price, it's a decent balance of aesthetics and functionality. Now, if brightness is a key concern, the final product on this list might just fit the bill perfectly.
Product number 5, Mahani Solar Floodlights. We have the Mahani Solar Floodlights at $29.99. These lights impressed me with their high brightness and wide coverage. If you want a top-tier choice for security or outdoor ambiance, this is definitely worth checking out. Here's why the Mahani lights are a strong contender. With 2,500 lumens and 6,500K cool white light, they provide powerful illumination across your outdoor spaces. The 3 adjustable heads allow you to customize the lighting direction, which is a big plus for covering various areas like patios and walkways. The IP67 waterproof design means these lights can withstand any weather, from rain to snow, ensuring they operate year-round. However, I did notice some complaints regarding the installation process being a bit more complex compared to other models. While it may take a little more effort to set up, the benefits of having reliable, bright light make it worth the initial hassle. This is perfect for you if you want high-performance outdoor lighting that handles all weather conditions. Skip this if you prefer something easy to install right out of the box. For what you're getting, it's a solid investment for anyone serious about outdoor security and lighting. Now, let's wrap up by comparing all these great options.
To recap, we've looked at 5 fantastic outdoor solar floodlights. The Tough Enough offers great brightness and features, while the OutTech is a budget-friendly choice. The Dafino provides impressive coverage. The HM City combines style and efficiency, and the Mahani stands out for its high performance. Depending on your specific needs, there's a perfect option for you in this list.